jail cell?
Yes, ma'am, to the best of my knowledge.
Okay.
I object to
Is
that,
he
yeah.
still
I object
able?
to that, Your Honor. I'm not allowed
Sir,
to
her
keep.
answer stands. There's no question to which to
I
object.
object to that. There is.
You can't testify at the moment. If you want to provide further information after she is done testifying, I will give you that opportunity.
Will she?
Your
will she be
objection
able to-
is
Will she
overruled.
be able to stay right there so I can ask the question?
It's not your time yet. You have to wait. So this is the final warning. Okay, I've given you a lot of leeway today.
You have not, Your Honor. You haven't. No.
I
you
am
haven't.
turning to Attorney Opper. It is her opportunity, her turn to ask this witness a question.
And it is my right to be able to object, just like she objected
And-
when I was asking
Right,
questions.
and when the court rules on an objection, usually the party who objects stays silent. I rule on the objection. The parties don't debate the ruling. It's noted for appeal. And then we move on.
Then I would like to put you on notice that I will be appealing that judicial decision that you are making.
Next question, Attorney Opper.
The judicial determination.
Ms.
rather,
Molenhop.
that you are making.
While on COVID protocol, does Mr. Brooks have access to the tablets in his jail cell?
Yes, ma'am.
And that tablet has legal materials available for him to access if he so chooses. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And while he is on COVID protocol, does he have access to the conference room, which also contains a computer with further legal materials?
Yes, ma'am.
And nothing about the protocol would restrict his access to any of those materials. Is that correct?
Correct, ma'am.
And you've
I object to
indicated
that. I
previously.
object to that respectfully, Your Honor.
So, an objection goes to whether there's lots of rules of evidence that
That's it,
apply,
that's
but
it.
if you're objecting to her answer, that's a different thing. You can argue
I'm
the meaning
objecting
of
to
that
the
later.
question,
Okay,
not
the
the
objection,
answer.
but then you have to say objection before she answers. You
She
objected
didn't
after
answer.
she answered.
didn't answer the last
The
question.
objection is noted, it's overruled, her answer may stand. Next question.
Ms. Wollenhop, you're aware that there has been digital discovery made available to Mr. Brooks for him to view in the Waukesha County Jail,
I
correct?
respectfully object to that.
Overruled, she may answer. Correct.
He would view that digital discovery on the computer in the conference room in his pod,
I
correct?
respectfully object to that.
Overruled, you may answer. Correct, ma'am.
And
So you're gonna
the
overrule
proto-
everything, Your Honor?
All right, Mr. Brooks, you have got to stop. It's fine if you object. I will rule on it as I deem appropriate under the rules of evidence, which, by the way, I provided a copy for you. See that big book over there?
No, I don't
It
see
has
it.
the criminal statutes.
I don't see it.
It has the traffic code. It
I
has
don't
the
see
rules
it.
of evidence. Well, it's on your table. It's
That- I
behind the
don't-
microphone, and it's there. I've provided it to you as a courtesy so that you
didn't
have
provide-
that
you did
available
not
to you.
provide anything to me.
Right, I'm
Something
directing the
that-
bailiffs to
something
remove
that
him
may
to the
have-
other courtroom.
something
I've
that-
provided ample opportunity for
I've
Mr.
never
Brooks to
taken
abide by the
anything-
simple
I've
rules
never
of
taken
decorum
anything,
and
Your Honor.
civility.
Your Honor, I don't
He is-
consent or agree to what you are doing.
Your lack of
don't give
consent is
consent.
noted for the
I
record.
don't give consent to an estoppel. I don't
I'll
give
make a
consent.
more full record when we
I
are
don't give
open
consent
again to
an
the public.
estoppel. I don't give consent to be removed.
Madam
being
Reporter, the
able
record
to
should
exercise
reflect,
my
the court is
constitutional
stepping
right.
off the bench. You may step off.
I
if you
move.
want.
I move for a motion to dismiss. You still haven't even ruled on the claim. There's no one that even has a claim against me here.